Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, thank you for stopping by. On this channel we share simple homemade meal, family cooking impression and delicious Nigerian recipes. So today I will be showing you how I prepare a rich and tasty ogbono soup served with swallow of your choice. So this is my family favorite because it is nutrition fulfilling and incredibly delicious. So come along with me in the kitchen and let's make this comforting Nigerian meal together. So the first step is placing the pot on fire and pouring all my meat. This is my cow meat, and after putting the cow meat, I'll now put on my pomo. Because this pomo is very strong, that's why I put it together. And the stockfish, I want the aroma, everything to be together. This is my seasoning. I put on my seasoning. I put 2 seasoning and my curry and thyme. So this is my thyme, putting on my thyme, and I put on 1 glass of water. You will not like to put plenty water because plenty water will be too much. The aroma will not enter inside very well. So I put on my blended onions and garlic ginger together. So this is me turning it so that the ingredients will marry each other very well. So after that is done, I'm going to cover it for like 5 minutes. I'm going to cover it for like 5 minutes, and I'll come back and open it. I will stir it again. You understand? All the purpose of doing all this to make sure that all the ingredients will enter inside very well, so that you will not come out with some parts there are ingredients and some parts their ingredients are not much here. So I will still cover it. While covering it, and I will go back to my veggies. I've already washed it. This ugu, I'm using ugu for this. So this is me slicing it, cutting it, I mean. So just watch.
I need to see.
So after cutting it, I will now slice it. The reason why I like slicing my own by myself, because I don't know why most people would like, after buying it, they will just tell the market women to slice it for them, but I like slicing my own by myself because their own, they used to cut it so tiny. It's tiny and I don't like it. I like it tiny, but not that tiny like that their own. So I prefer cutting it by myself. That's why I will just buy it and come and cut it to my own size. I like cutting it to my own size. That's why. So that's the reason why I normally cut it by myself, is because of the size.
Make jollof rice.
Yeah. So this is my oziza. I like to add a little pinch of oziza because of the scent. I like oziza scent in my soup, especially my ogbono soup. If I did not get the oziza seed, I will buy the leaf. So I didn't get the seed. The woman that normally supply my things for me, she didn't have the oziza seed. So that's why I just tell her to put the leaf for me. And for me not to use any oziza, it's better for me to use the seed than to cook the soup without any oziza. Make you know how I so much love this. You understand? So I just like the taste and the aroma that comes out of it. So I have my ogbono on the bowl. So I will add and stir. So this is my ogbono. I'm going to add on red oil on it. You understand? If you want that if you want your ogbono to draw very well, everybody have his own way of making it, but this is my best way of making ogbono, and it will come out very well. That draw consistency, it will, honestly, you will definitely have that draw. So after mixing it thoroughly together, you now put it inside the pot. You understand? For it to melt. I just want it to melt a little bit, so I have to move it. Sorry, I didn't show you that. I don't know, my camera was not recording. So after removing the ogbono, I'm adding up the water the water for the soup. My meat have already cooked. It's almost 80% cooked. So I add up another extra seasoning and put up my chalk and pepper mix, and this is my okwe, and just squeezing it so that it will melt, and my crayfish, and adding up my crayfish together. Yeah, so after adding all the ingredients, I will now stir it for it to marinate together, to mix together. I cover my pot. So after a little while, after like 2 to 3 minutes, I come back, and then it has already cooked. All the ingredients have cooked. So this is my mixed ogbono, the one that I mixed it together and melt it. So this is it. I pour it inside the soup. Can you see? You will see how the result of this will come out. So I cover it for it to melt together, for the ogbono to melt. So this is me. I have come back. The ogbono have already melted. Can you see how it just melts without any stress? You know, this method is very perfect for me. I so much love this method, honestly. So I'm trying to turn everything together to avoid any lumps. So this is my ugu leaf. I'm pouring it my ugu leaf. Yes. So sorry, before pouring it your ugu leaf, at least you have to, after you have put on your ogbono, you will leave it for like, let it cook for some minutes, like 2 to 3 minutes before putting on your ugu. That's how I normally do my own sha, and the result used to come out well. So after putting on my ugu, I cover it for like 1 minute to 2 minutes. I come back, I start stirring it. Can you see the consistency of this? You understand? See how thick it is. It's even too thick for me, so I need to add up some warm water. So I add up my own warm water and cover it. So after then I come back. So this is it. See how beautiful this ogbono is. The aroma is so good. And that is how I prepare my delicious family style ogbono soup. I hope you enjoy cooking with me today and found this recipe helpful. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and turn on your notification bell so you will never miss any of our homemade family recipes. Let me know in the comments section, how do you like your ogbono soup? Do you add ugu, spinach, or another vegetable? Thank you so much for watching. I will see you in my next video. Bye bye and happy cooking. Thank you.
We spent years in training, fighting battles uphill.